Okay, let's unpack this. The American real estate market. It's fascinating, isn't it? A real living thing.
It really is such a powerful engine for, generating income, building wealth.
Absolutely. Capital growth, diversification, helps hedge against inflation, all that. But for you, the investor, success often comes down to the nuts and bolts, right? Location, market analysis.
Property condition, cash flow,
Yeah.
the fundamentals, absolutely crucial.
Crucial. But what we're really diving into today is, well, something more. How do you put soul into those rules? How do you turn transactions into legacies?
Exactly, because the real legends, the people we're looking at, they didn't just crunch numbers, they had vision. They saw things others didn't.
Yeah, they reshaped landscapes, built communities. So let's jump into 3 of them. First up, Barbara Corcoran.
Corcoran, a real titan.
Started the Corcoran Group back in '73 with just $1,000. That's incredible.
Just $1,000. And built it up until that, $66 million sale? Phenomenal.
And her approach, innovative marketing, sure, but this idea of radical transparency, what was that about?
Well, it was revolutionary, really. Back then, brokers hoarded information, right? Kept listings and pricing close to the chest.
Standard practice, yeah.
She did the opposite.
Yeah.
Published the Corcoran Report, shared everything, her listings, prices, trends, even data from her rivals.
Wow, really? Competitor data, too.
Yeah, it sounds counterintuitive, but it completely disarmed the market. By sharing information, she built this unshakable trust, empowered her clients.
So that transparency, did competitors push back hard? Or did they eventually copy her?
Oh, there was resistance initially for sure, but her success kind of proved the point. It shifted the industry, maybe not fully radical for everyone, but definitely towards more openness. She showed giving away info could be your biggest strength.
Okay, so from that individual focus, let's zoom out, way out. Donald Bren.
Bren, now that's vision on a completely different scale.
Right, Irvine Ranch. Taking 93,000 acres of essentially desert.
And turning it into this massive, meticulously planned urban center. Homes, businesses, schools, green space, everything integrated.
He wasn't just buying property, he was building cities, seeing the whole picture.
Exactly. He called them self-sustaining communities. He understood that patiently building an entire ecosystem creates value over decades, way beyond quick flips. It's legacy building.
That multi-generational view is amazing, but the risk. I mean, planning decades out, economic downturns, societal shifts. How do you even manage that?
That's where the meticulous planning really comes in. Phased development was key, diversifying the types of property within the ranch.
Yeah.
And maintaining a really strong balance sheet.
So having the resources and the strategy to weather the storms.
Precisely. Understanding that a downturn today is just a blip on a 50-year horizon.
Okay, and our final legend for today, Stephen Ross. Related companies.
Ross, the master of the impossible project.
Definitely. Hudson Yards in Manhattan comes to mind. Taking an active rail yard.
And building this ultra-modern complex literally over it, while the trains were still running, just incredible complexity.
How? What made him succeed where others, I imagine, saw only obstacles?
It was a mix of things. Unbelievable financial engineering, first off. He structured these incredibly complex deals, public-private partnerships, tax financing.
So a financial wizard?
Partly, yes, but also strategic genius in forging alliances, getting government, corporations, financiers all aligned. And critically, just sheer conviction, believing it could be done when most thought it was too big, too costly, too difficult.
Wow. Ambition, strategy, perseverance.
Oh,
It's clear in all 3 stories.
definitely.
So bringing it back to you, the listener, maybe you're not building Hudson Yards tomorrow.
Probably not.
But what are the takeaways? These core ideas still apply, right? Starting lean.
Absolutely. And that reserve fund, crucial. And never underestimate having a strong team.
So even starting small, you can, apply Corcoran's transparency with tenants, build that trust.
Exactly. Or think like Bren, look at a neighborhood's 5-10-year potential, not just the immediate return. Is there new infrastructure planned? Good schools. That long view builds sustainable value.
And Ross reminds us not to automatically shy away from a challenge just because it looks hard. Do the research, build the team.
Right. Tackle it strategically.
So ultimately, this deep dive shows real estate isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's about patience, smart thinking.
It's an investment journey.
Yeah.
And done right, with these principles, it really can be a path to financial freedom.
Remember those keys. Start small, keep that reserve fund topped up, and build that professional team.
And it's fascinating. Each of them saw potential where others just saw roadblocks.
That really is the core insight, isn't it? Which brings up a final thought for you. Where in your own life, your own ambitions, might you be overlooking a truly transformative opportunity, just because it seems too hard or maybe too big to even imagine?